Good evening, friends. What I'm going to talk about is some trade ideas for this week, some patterns which might work, which may not work depending on market. But then seeing the way markets have behaved and seeing this pattern repeat, my first idea will be of a stock based on purely open interest is Z, currently trading at CMP is 212. And what has happened in Z previously is whenever the open interest has gone beyond this level, the stock has corrected. So, considering the same and considering the way the stock has fallen post results, if 210 is taken out, or for that matter, if previously and here, the last two occasions it has fallen. Um, it might be a small range, about 240 320 to 280 over a period of 2 or 3 days time, and similarly here it has fallen from 230 to again to 190 odd levels in a span of 2 or 3 times. It may give you a good trade, and whatever happens is post that could be what do you case could be a case of bounce back and then coming out, and what happens, whether they booked up whether they don't roll forward the open interest, or what happens along with that. But considering the previous pattern, I see the anything below 210, it should go a big, at least it should touch 180. That's what I feel. And um, how do I play it is I'll play by buying. If you want to buy option put, you can buy a put of 200 above 8. It's currently trading at about 6. So if it goes above 8, if you can buy it and hold it till expiry, it can give you a target of about 12, 13. The target won't be between 12 to 13, and then if the selling gets absorbed over there, then it might easily go to 20 to 28. Um, that's one trade, and the other one is a chart of ITC. Uh, this is also quite interesting. Post the result, the open interest of ITC has reached a level which is around that previous level mark, high mark. So if that happens, usually last time again, it was gradual build up. It never built up on a single day. But then where there was a huge spike in the next period of time, it was happened around that 200 again, around the same 200 level. So I'll watch how the open interest starts getting built up in the next 2 days. If it goes again up, I might see you might see the stock coming back to 180, 170 levels. But then any open interest movement on a post a result day, you always have to look at what has happened in um, the next day. Uh, See, to give you a rough idea, what has happened on what has happened here, it's about 11% increase in open interest. Just ignore this. This is a previous next day. So there's about 11% increase in open interest here. So the last 2 days, the delivery volumes have picked up, and the shorts have increased around 50% level. 50% is after the shorts were built about 230 levels to 230 226 levels. So basically, these guys have made a positions there. So they will go for a crashing, and let's see how whether they book the profits, book their open interest or not in the coming days. And the other favorable trade, which looks like, again, and this is a bearish one on Titan. Titan, Titan also has seen considerable strong build up post, strong open interest build up post the results. So if Titan 4,440 goes up uh, about 22, I think again that could give a favorable trade. Uh, so we had talked about a couple of bearish trade. Now, if you really have to look into a bullish one, this is what has happened with Adani. Adani, previous pattern like that happened on October 20th. So October 20th, the stock was around, once again, let me check the date. Okay, yeah, sorry, I got the date wrong. It's November 4th. November 4th was exactly the previously where the open interest has increased something around those levels where from 368 from 360 from 361 it increased to, so in a matter of 10 trading dates it touched 400. So basically it ran from November 4th to from 361 in a matter of 20 days it did 400 to 440. So similar sort of a move you can expect in Adani Port, but then again market has to be, it depends on how market is poised. Nifty again, it's getting sold around 1,250 levels. So let's see if Nifty is not breaching that level, then I feel some sort of a pullback is can be expected this week.